Mighty Networks online courses honest review, watch before using. In this video, I'll be giving you an honest review of Mighty Networks and their online course creation features. All the links to the product are added in the description, so check them out after watching. Mighty Networks is a platform that allows creators, educators, and entrepreneurs to build and sell online courses with ease. It's not just a course creation tool, but an entire community building platform, combining online learning with social networking. Mighty Networks lets you create a custom branded space where you can host courses, manage content, and foster interaction between your students or members. One of its standout features is the flexibility it offers. You can design your course modules, upload videos, quizzes, and even create live events. You also have access to a full suite of marketing tools to help you grow your audience and monetize your content effectively. But who is Mighty Networks really for? If you're an instructor, coach, or business owner looking to build a paid community, or you want to offer exclusive content to a membership group, Mighty Networks is a great choice. It's perfect for people who want to create an engaging, interactive experience for their audience beyond just delivering video lessons. You can integrate different content types like articles, polls, and discussions, creating a truly immersive learning environment. However, it's important to note that Mighty Networks might not be ideal for someone who is just looking to host simple one-off courses without the community or membership aspect. It's a robust platform designed for creators who are looking to build a long-term interactive community around their content. In conclusion, if you're looking for a platform that combines course creation with community building and you're ready to invest in a full-featured tool, Mighty Networks is a great option. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us provide useful insights, and it also helps others learn about the best tools to use for their business or educational goals. Thanks for watching.